Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn about the colors we have been reading about in red light, green light. Yesterday we learned about the colors green and yellow on a traffic light. Today we're going to learn about the color red that is also on a traffic light. If we all work very hard and pay close attention, we can earn an extra 5 minutes for caption. I need everyone to be sitting quietly at their desks, looking up here at the board. I'm going to review the directions for today's lesson. When I point to you guys, it means I'd like for everyone to answer my question out loud and together. If I call a specific student's name, I would like just for that student to answer. When I point to everyone, how should you answer?
Out loud and together.
Excellent. When I point to everyone, I should hear you all answering out loud and together. Collins, if I call on a specific student, who should answer?
Just that student.
Correct. When I call on a specific student, I would like just for that student to answer. Okay, before we begin, where should you all be looking right now?
At the board.
At the board, yes, very good. You should all be looking at the board. Today I'll be putting different examples of the color red on the board. Remember, you should all be looking at the board during the whole lesson so you can see the different examples. Where should you be looking?
At the board.
Yes, you should be looking at the board at all times. First, you're going to watch and listen to me. Next, I will point to you and we will answer the questions out loud and together. And lastly, I will call on individual students by their name and that student will answer the question out loud on his or her own. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. Now we're going to learn about a new concept, red. Remember to look at the board at all times. This shape is red. Listen again. This shape is red. Listen again. Try to remember to pay close attention to what I put on the board. This shape is red. Everyone is doing a great job looking at the board and sitting quietly. This shape is red. One more time. This shape is red. Now everyone pay close attention to what I put on the board. This shape is not red. Again, this shape is not red. Remember, keep your eyes on the board. This shape is not red. Again, this shape is not red. This shape is red. One more time. This shape is red. Excellent job listening and paying close attention to what I put on the board. Now we are going to answer some questions out loud and together. When I point to everyone, you will say the shape is red or the shape is not red, depending on what I put on the board. We will answer the questions I ask out loud and
Together.
Perfect. We will answer the questions out loud and together. We will say out loud the shape is red or the shape is not red, depending on what shape I show you. Let's begin with this example. This shape is not red. Together, this shape is not red. Correct. This shape is not red. Now let's look at this one. Together we will say this shape is not red. This shape is not red. Excellent. This shape is not red. Okay, how about this one? This shape is
Red.
This shape is red. Perfect. Keep up the great work. Now look closely at the board. This shape is red. This shape is
Red.
Awesome work, everyone. This shape is red. Brady, what color is this shape?
Red.
Correct. This shape is red. Everyone is doing such an excellent job. Let's continue. Remember to watch closely what I put on the board. When I call your name, I want you to answer the shape is red or the shape is not red, depending on what shape I show you. Collins, what color is this shape?
That shape is not red.
Excellent work, Collins. The shape is not red. Brady, what color is this shape?
This shape is red.
Wonderful job, Brady. This shape is red. Collins, what color is this shape?
This shape is red.
This shape is red. Correct. Very nice job. Nice work, everybody. I want you to all answer out loud and together. What color is this shape?
This shape is not red.
Yes, nice work. This shape is not red. Everyone is doing such amazing work. We are going to answer this last question together. This shape is red. Together,
This shape is red.
Excellent job, everyone. This shape is red. Everyone did a great job today. We learned about the third color on a traffic light, the color red. When you see a traffic light now, you will be able to identify all of the colors. Everyone paid close attention to what I was putting on the board and answered all of my questions correctly. I am very proud of your hard work. You followed directions and sat quietly at your desks and answered as a group when asked and as individuals when I called on you. We all earned an extra 5 minutes on your cash-in. What color is this?
This shape is red.
Excellent. This shape is red.